Hi everyone, I'm Alexander from Vannado Campervans and welcome back to our channel. Today we're filming another van tour. This time it's something really special, the Vannado Karakorum Long 4x4, our ultimate expedition camper built on the MAN TGE L4H3. If you're dreaming about the real freedom, off-road adventures and comfort for 4 people, you're going to love this tour. Let's get started. Let's begin with the outside because this van is made to turn heads and take you anywhere. The Karakorum Long is based on the MAN TGE L4H3 with a powerful 202 horsepower 2-liter engine, full-time 4x4 drive. The indium grey metallic finish gives it a modern, rugged look. We've upgraded the suspension with a 35mm lift and pneumatic air suspension from MTT system. This means more ground clearance, better comfort and true off-road capability. It rides on 17-inch black Rhino rims with Yokohama Geolander all-terrain tires, perfect for rough roads, sand or snow. Fender flares cover the wider tires and give the van a tough, ready for anything stance. For lighting, we've added Hella Black Magic LED work lights at the back and on both front sides, plus a Dometic PR2000 awning with LED strip for cozy evenings outside. On the roof, you'll find a max fan for extra ventilation and 4 S7P windows in the bedroom for natural light and airflow. At the back of our camper van, there's a Dutch Van Parts cargo ladder and frame for bike racks, plus 2 Thule Pro Ride bike racks, so you're adventure ready. There's also a cold and hot water tap in the trunk for quick outdoor showers. At an external coffee table that folds out from the kitchen at the sliding door, perfect for morning rituals. For safety and convenience, an electric step at the sliding door, airline rails in the trunk for securing gear, a tree gas detector, and a compact potassium fire extinguisher. The exterior is great, but now let's step inside and see how the Karakorum Long makes life on the road comfortable and beautiful. The interior is all about natural, high-quality materials. Rustic oak cabinets and countertops, 4-bow mushroom kitchen fronts, and a rich dark bistré floor. The seats are upholstered in soft grey tones, combining natural leather, perforated leather, and Alcantara for a luxurious and cozy vibe. In this camper van, we have 4 homologated travel seats, 2 front captain's chairs that swivel, and 2 rear seats adjustable in 3 directions for the perfect ride. In the back, there's a large bed with a tilting frame for easy access to the garage below. Up top, you get an aluminum pop-up roof with a big mattress, great for kids or guests and insulated for year-round use. The kitchen is fully equipped. Dometic 70 liters fridge with double-sided opening and a rustic oak panel. 2-burner Dometic gas stove, 11-kilogram gas bang bottle for long trips, and lots of storage in overhead cabinets and deep drawers in the countertop. Plenty of 230 volts plugs, USB and USB-Cs for all your devices. The living area is bright and open with big windows and pleasy blinds for privacy. The bathroom features a Dometic cassette toilet with electric flush, a modern shower and a clever hanging rod that lifts to the ceiling so you can dry up to 8 pieces of clothing at once. The Truma Combi 4E heater brings warmth to every corner, including the pop-top roof, so you're comfortable even in winter. All water tanks are inside and insulated so you can use the van all year round. Max fan roof vent keeps fresh air moving and all windows have mosquito nets and cover blinds for peaceful nights made by Vancraft. The heart of the system is Victron Energy, Multiplus, MPPT solar controller, Orion DC-DC charger, big battery, and 360-watt solar panel on the roof for full off-grid freedom. Seamarine touchscreen panel for real-time monitoring. Check your battery, solar input and water levels at a glance, or use the app on your phone. Dimmable LED lighting throughout, including in the garage, lets you set the mood wherever you are. That's the Vannado Karakorum Long 4x4, a camper van designed for real explorers, families and anyone who wants to travel further, stay longer and do it all in comfort and style. If you enjoyed this tour, hit the like button, leave your questions or thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more van tours and travel inspiration. See you on the road, bye!